For this problem, we are looking for x-intercepts and y-intercepts of the equation. Looking at my equation, I know y-intercept is the easy one to do because we plug in 0 for x, and then we look for the y value. So if I plug in 0 here, zero squared times 3 is 0, so that doesn't matter. 9 times 0 is 0, so that doesn't matter. And I'm left with only minus 30. So y must equal negative 30 when x is 0. That is our y-intercept. For the x-intercept, because this is a quadratic, we want to set y equal to 0, and then we're going to factor. So if I make y 0, I have 0 equals 3x squared plus 9x minus 30. The first thing I want to look for is common terms that I can factor out. These all have a 3 in them. So I write 0 equals 3x squared plus 3x minus 10. Once again, just dividing these by 3 as I go down. Then I need to separate this. So I need two numbers that multiply to negative 10 and add to positive 3. And I happen to know those numbers are 5 and negative 2. If you didn't know that, write out all the numbers that multiply to 10. 1 and 10, 2 and 5, that's it. And then ask which one has a difference of 3. These have a difference of 9. These have a difference of 3. So those are my two numbers. The bigger one needs to be positive, so that way they add to a positive 3. We take our two numbers once we have them, and we rewrite our equation as y equals 3 x minus 5, or x plus 5, I'm sorry, and x minus 2. Then to find our zeros, we ask ourselves, when does this equal 0? When x is negative 5. And when does this equal 0? When x is positive 2. And 3 is never going to be 0. So those are my two x-intercepts. To write them as points, I would write negative 5, 0, and 2, 0.